Hello everyone, this is Laura from Laura's Crafts and Art Ideas. Another Valentine's card. So let's start really quick. Okay, I have the it has some glue there. I have this piece of cardstock that is kind of a beige color. It's not really light, not really dark. Beige, very nice. It's a little bit texture. I have used this before, and it's from a recollection pack of like scraps. You see it here. So this card is not too big. It's just 5 by 4, and let's start. So I'm gonna be using this Prima stamp letters. I'm gonna stamp the whole thing with red ink. Let me see. Let's also stress it a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't want it to be too dark. Just in some areas. Pretty light. Ooh, I like it. Okay, I use the vintage photo interesting Tim Holtz. This is what we have so far. You can use any stamp that has like words and like letters, wordings. Okay, so we have that. One more on the borders. Red. Yeah, no, messy. Alright, so this is our base. Now, I'm gonna use this stamp that I made myself. I made it with the Cricut. It's just one of these tags shapes the Cricuts have, and you can, if you don't, if you don't have the stamp making thing, and you have, I'll put on the description what cartridge I use. I don't remember right now. This is a lot of words. Sorry. You can, like, if you don't need to cut it. If you have the same stamp or any stamp that have like a tag shape, you can use it. I didn't have anything like that, so I cut it with my Cricut. And even you don't have to cut it with your Cricut if you have like the markers, the Cricut markers that you put in instead of the lay. You can draw it with it and cut it with it at the same time too. But change the laser and cut it. It's kind of tricky. So I'm going to use this side. So stamp it. As you can see, it's a pretty nice stamp. So like I just use a face wipe or baby wipe to clean it. And then we're going to cut cut around. Let me stress a little bit. Because this paper is textured, as you can see, and I like to bring that out. So. Okay, we're gonna cover it a bit. Alright, so let me cut this. Now I'm gonna use another Prima stamp. I bought this one. It's like a birthday one, but I'm gonna use the doggy here, this little puppy. And I bought a Hobby Lobby for $1.99. And I'm a lover of like cheap stamps, economical stamps, whatever. They're cheap. They're good. Alright. So I'm gonna stamp him in a white cardstock, if I can get him out of here. And then like use some like markers to color it. I'm gonna use some pro markers. You can use watercolor pencils or just your regular color pencils. And see here. So I'm gonna use Coffee Bean from Incadincado. See, I haven't used this. What happened here? Oh, let's see what happened here. Haven't used this pad in a while. Probably thinking that I'm not having any. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I'll use chocolate. Chocolate. This TPC Studio. Alright, so now we have our puppy. Isn't he cute? Isn't he? Alright, stop. So, we're gonna have our puppy here. I'm gonna use some sticker hearts and stickers, hearts, and probably I'm gonna have another, a rag tag here. Alright, let's do another tag. And what I'm gonna do is just trace it and cut it there. I got this one. Now I'm gonna use this like Studio G ribbon. This is like $1, $1.50 or $2 something like that. I bought at Michael's. Let's see, we want polka dots. I'm just playing with. I think I like this one. So let's use this one here. So we have our dog. We're gonna put a heart behind. So I don't know if you put one of these shiny hearts, but you can see, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, so hopefully you can. So I'm gonna have this here, this way, and okay, heart there, and our puppy here. So I don't know if I want to like that heart. Okay, I'm gonna go with this heart. As I said, this is like Stico stamps, and I think a smaller heart will be fine. This, like that. Our doggy here. Do that. Alright. So here we go. We can use that side, we can use the, okay. I'm gonna put this race in. I have to look for one. Oh, that's and we're gonna have some writing. So you can use any letter stamps that you have. These are pretty nice, but I think I'm gonna use the one that I have in this set here. Yeah, this is like this CD. It looks like it's like a CD. And where are they from? I think, yeah, see these. See if like from seeing something from these. So anyway, that comes with all of this. I bought them at AC Moore. They were on sale and they're pretty nice. They have a lot. So okay, let me look for some stuff that I need and I'll be back. And we're gonna put our puppy and our love here. This is what we have. I need everything's gonna be this. Alright. So let's start. So let's go. Cute little card that you don't need to have exactly the same stamps or stuff that I have. You know, you can use your own like letter, like writing, whatever stamps you call it, and your own letters. And like I said, you can write them on your computer and print them out, or handwriting if you have a nice calligraphy, which I don't. And a nice puppy, you can have a stamp, or you can just look for a coloring book that has a puppy or something, and you can put it there, and a heart sticker, or just draw it again, and just a tag and a ribbon. So it's pretty easy to do this card with whatever you have at home and replicate it. Oh. Okay, people, so I'm gonna stop talking. Hope you have enjoyed, and bye bye.